Hello, good morning everybody. I am once again here with the short lecture of basic mechanical engineering. And yesterday we have discussed regarding the two-stroke petrol engine and four-stroke petrol engine and efficiency of the petrol engine that is based on the constant volume and auto cycle that was not taken, and I will be taking in the subsequent lecture and moving ahead of this particular topic, covering up the part of the four-stroke diesel engine that is based on the diesel cycle or constant pressure cycle. So as we already know that the number of strokes remains to be same and the revolutions of the crankshaft remains to be same, but the only difference is that the cycle on which it is based. So and in diesel engine, instead of carburetor and spark ignition, spark plug, fuel injector is used, and instead of charge, only air is sucked during the suction stroke. This is the difference, as you already know. So all diesel engine works on the diesel cycle, as we already know. This is named after the scientist that is Diesel who developed it. Except some of the changes, as I have already discussed, the only air is sucked, and spark plug is replaced with the help of the fuel injector. It is also known as compressor ignition engine, and petrol engine we already know it is known as spark ignition engine, because the charge is burned with the help of the spark generated with the help of the spark plug which is placed on the cylinder head. Now the description of the four strokes are as follows. First stroke, as well already known as the suction stroke. In this, air enters into the engine through the inlet valve, and during the compression stroke, both valves remains closed and air is compressed to a very high pressure and temperature. This high pressure and temperature leads to the self ignition of the fuel. Self ignition of the fuel, जिसको हम बोलते हैं छिड़काव होना at a high temperature and pressure inside the cylinder of the fuel through the fuel injector. Now during the power or the expansion stroke, both valves remains to the close, and at the end of the compression stroke, the fuel injector that I have said earlier, that the छिड़काव means the sprinkling of the fuel is done, and the fuel burning of the fuel takes place, and it produces the gases that which pushes the piston, and thus power is generated in the at the crankshaft. And in the final stroke, where during the exhaust stroke, when the valve remains inlet valves remains closed and exhaust valve opens, the piston moves upward towards TDC, and all the exhaust gases they pass out through the exhaust valve. So this was the cycle repeats again. So this was all about the description of the four-stroke diesel engine, and it finds applications in buses, trucks, and cars, and generators, and ships, and and as well as the in generators also. So moving ahead to the two-stroke diesel engine. The two-stroke diesel engines are not suitable for light vehicles, except some of the changes. The working of the two-stroke diesel engine is same as the working of the two-stroke petrol engine. In two-stroke diesel engine, only air is admitted through the inlet port, and the end of the compression diesel is sprayed, as we already know, at high pressure and temperature from the fuel injector, and the combustion takes place. So this was all about the two-stroke petrol diesel engines, and in the next lecture we will be covering the difference between the SI and CI engines.